5321. Today I want to introduce about databases. Database is a shared integrated computer structure that stores a collection of end-user data and metadata. End-user data is raw facts of interest to end-user, and metadata is data about data which the end-user data are integrated and managed. Describe data characteristics and relationships. A database is structure of data. Those card index, printed catalog of archaeological artifacts, and telephone directories are all examples of databases. Databases may be stored on a computer and examined using a program. These programs are often called databases, but more strictly are database management system, DBMS. Database management system, DBMS, is a collection of programs and manage the database structure, control access to data stored in the database. Computer-based databases are usually organized into one or more tables. A table stores data in a format similar to a published table and consists of a series of rows and columns. To carry the analogy further, just as a published table will have a title at the top of each column, so each column in a database table will have a name, often called a field name. The term field is often used instead of column. Each row in a table will represent one example of the type of object about which data has been collected. Thank you.
My name is Ming Khan. Today I want to talk about the role of DBMS. First, intermediary between the user and database. Second, enables data to be shared. Third, present the end user with an integrated view of the data. Fourth, receive and translate application requests into operation required to fulfill the request. 5. Hides database internal complexity from the application, program, and users. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Ade bin Musafa. Now I'm going to talk about advantages of DBMS. First is improved data sharing. An advantage of the database management approach is the DBMS helps to create an environment in which end users have better access to more and better managed data. Second is improved data security. The more users access data, the greater the risk of data security breaches. A DBMS provides a framework for better enforcement of data security and privacy policies. Third is better data integration. Wider access to well-managed data promotes an integrated view of the organization operations and a clearer view of a big picture. Thank you.
My name is Kerwin, and now I'm going to talk about the disadvantages of DBMS. The first disadvantages of DBMS is increased cost. Database systems require sophisticated hardware and software and highly skilled personnel. The cost of maintaining the hardware, software, and personnel required to operate and manage a database system can be substantial. The second disadvantage of DBMS is management complexity. Database systems interface with many different technologies and have a significant impact on a company's resource and culture. The changes introduced by the adoption of a database system must be properly managed to ensure that they help advance the company's objective. The third disadvantage of DBMS is maintaining currency. To maximize the efficiency of the database system, you must keep your system current. Therefore, you must perform frequent updates and apply the latest patches and security measures to all components. Because database technology advances rapidly, personal training costs tend to be significant. The last disadvantage of DBMS is frequent upgrade or replacement cycles. DBMS vendors frequently update their products by adding new functionality. Such new features often come bundled in new upgrade versions of the software. Some of these versions require hardware upgrades. Not only do the upgrades themselves cost money, but it also costs money to train database users and administrators to properly use and manage the new features. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Louis Hao. Today I want to introduce about SQL. Structured Query Language SQL is a database query language used for storage and managing data in relational DBMS. SQL was the first numerical language introduced to EF called relational model of database. Today, almost all RDBMS, MySQL, Oracle, Informix, Sybase, MSSS use SQL as the standard database query language. SQL is used to perform all types of data operation in RDBMS. Now, I will teach you how to download the XAMPP. Now we need to open any type of browser. I'm using the Google Chrome as our example. First, we need to search the XAMPP at the search bar, and we need to select the first one of the result. Now I'm using the window as our example. After we finish download the installer, we need to open it. Next. No need to just ignore the notification and waiting for the install. Now we already done our install. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Junhan. So let me to show you how to use the guide method to create a database, table, and attribute. First, let me to open the MySQL. Now create the database. We click a new and name the database name. And you click the create button. Now is the name of the table. And you can enter the number of column. Click the go button. Now you can see for the attribute, and you enroll the data. Product ID, primary key, product name, product stock, and the product price. And when you're done, you can click the save button. Then you can see the database show in here. Thank you. So I will show you 15 queries that have include 6 commands: create, drop, insert, alter, modify, and change. The first question is how to create database. Create. Then you can see the database is appear. The second question is how to create table. Create table. Car. Then you can see the car is appear here. The third question is how to insert data into table. Insert into command car ID, car name, and car no plate. Type the values. Then you can see the car name appear here. The question 4 is how to modify attribute. So you type the command alter car ID, then the chunk number will change. The 5 question is how to add primary key. So type the alter commands. Add primary key. So you can go to car and see the primary key already appear here.
Hi, I'm Mong Chun V. So now let me to show you how to drop the primary key. So type the alter table car, drop primary key, and semicolon. Control enter. Okay. Let me find the structure to show the primary key is already the primary key is already dropped. The next one, how to rename attribute. Type the alter table name car, table car, change car name.
change car name, car branch. Okay, the car name is the old name. The car branch is the new name. So we press the Ctrl Enter. Okay, let me check. Structure, structure. Okay, the car name already changed to car branch. So now let me show how to add a new column. Author, table, car. Add a new column. Add column. Car year. Semicolon. So let me check. Structure. Already have added a new column. Car year integer 4 now. Okay. So now let me show you number 9, how to remove column. Also use the author command, table, car, drop, column, car year, semicolon, Ctrl Enter. Yes, okay. Structure. Already dropped the column car year. And then the number 10, how to create a similar table structure. Create table, motorcycle, light, car. Semicolon. I'm trying to. And already add a new table, motorcycle. And inside the motorcycle have the same attribute inside the car. So this is the similar table structure.
Hi, I'm Yihao. Now I will show you how to display structure of table. First, we need to use the command show columns from car. Run it. And the next command was describe car. And this was the final result. Next, we need to find any database that have high in any position. We need to use the command again, show databases like %high, and that was the result. Next, we need to select the database we are using, but we was forgotten. Use the command select database column, and that was a database we was forgotten. Now I will teach you how to remove the table. Example, we need to drop the table car. We use the command drop table car. Run it. The site says, do you want to ready to execute drop table car? Yes, we just click OK. And the table car was dropped. Next, we need to remove the database. We need to use the command drop again, database vehicle, and run it. Now all the database name vehicle was dropped. Thank you.